It's like 1%.
They make it all dramatic.
This actually does pretty good.
You don't even sound like them. They sound like this. We having a good morning so far? Yes. Yeah, let's see what we can do about that. Everyone look up, that's the top of the boat, I think. Everyone look down, that's the bottom. If at any point during this trip those two switch places, and we are off like a boat full of people. I don't know, I suck at analogies. Wave goodbye to those skips, you'll never see them again. Welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is DJ Harris, I'm going to be your skipper for as far as we get. Things go wrong, I'll also be your swimming instructor. Let's avoid that from happening though, my friends. So for your safety, please everyone keep your hands, arms, elbows inside the boat at all times. Parents, watch your children. Watch your parents. And please everyone, remain seated. Only a crazy person stands in a moving boat. Keep your eyes peeled for any sign of danger. It could be lurking anywhere. That is our first sign of danger. You are lucky your skipper knows how to read. As we continue moving, oh shoot! It's bamboo. Did you know bamboo can grow up to 6 stories? And some people will argue 7 stories, but that's a whole other story. Right over here is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Ooh. Just beyond that, the Forbidden Temples of A through H. Welcome to our ancient Cambodian shrine. That is a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. He can jump up to 60 feet. Don't be scared, we're 10 feet away. That means he's just gonna go jump right over us. In fact, at this part of the Jungle Cruise, the only thing I ask you to watch out for, the one thing to really be careful, I truly do implore you to do so, I do need you to be careful. Please be careful with Ginger. I know Ginger looks friendly, but Ginger snaps. Yeah, I know it's a crummy joke, but I'll milk it till it's stale. Welcome everyone to the secret Indian elephant bathing pool, where the secret Indian elephants like to bathe here. Secretly. Go ahead and take out your cameras. They weren't polite enough to wear their trunks today. Yeah, last night they did, so it was awkward. Wow, look how many are here. That is unheard of. Unheard of. Thank you. You should have. Any of you know how to distinguish Indian elephants from other elephants? It's their ears and their trunks. Remember that. I will quiz you again later. Did you know elephants grow up to 4 feet while humans grow up to 2? Yeah, we call that the agony of defeat. So at this part of the Jungle Cruise, I was told if we listen carefully, we could hear a baby elephant call out to its mother. I think that's beautiful. I love nature. Let's give it a quick listen. Here we go. Wow. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Nature, am I right? We're now entering the safest place in the jungle. Now, it's so safe because of the plant life that we just... Let's get closer. Oh my goodness, friends, it looks like the monkeys are calling the shots now. And you know when monkeys throw a party, that party's always gonna be... Bananas, baby bananas. I know it's not the most appealing joke. We got a bunch of those before we split. Oh, look what they did to the car. They left the lights on. No, never turn that battery over. How exhausting. Do you know what the scariest plant in the jungle is? Do you know what the scariest plant in the jungle is? Oh, it's bamboo. Did you know bamboo can grow to 6 stories? Some people, they're going to tell you 7 stories, but that's a whole other story. Right behind me is Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is important to us because Schweitzer Falls is named after our founder, Dr. Albert Falls. Don't overthink the joke. We'll go over it later. For now, we turn into the Nile River, where it goes on for miles and 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 Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, friends, well, if you are in denial, thank you, one person. Look at those beautiful African bull elephants, so rare, so majestic. Say, does anyone here know how to distinguish African bull elephants from other elephants? Close. It's because we're in Africa, but those were good guesses, thank you. Feet of Africa, welcome to the African belt, where some of our animals are so old and they are still in black and white. You got zebras, wildebeest, gazelle. See those tall ones? That's bamboo. Did you know bamboo can grow up to 6 stories? Some will argue 7, but friends, that's another story. Look at this beautiful Pride Alliance protecting that sleeping. Oh God, it's dead. Tired kid. It's sleeping. I'm sorry. We'll move on. Let the joke rest in peace. Do you know what a lion's favorite drink is? The zebra on the rocks. But how'd they get it? I told him not to get an argument with the rhinoceros. They always get their point across in the end, so you had to see that. What a bummer. As we continue, oh dear! At this part of the Jungle Cruise, I'd like everyone to look to my left, and everyone look to my right. Thank you. We're approaching an aggressive toss-off full of hippopotami. They've sunk in 6 boots this week. Don't worry, only 8 were mine. We'll be fine as long as your ears are wet. We're not gonna be fine. They look like they're gonna charge the boat. Wait, take cash. Don't worry, friends. I know how to scare them off. Cover your ears. That was a close one. Luckily, I scared them stiff. Well, my friends, it's not the ones in the water we gotta worry about. The ones in the water. It's the ones in the trees. Tree hippos are stealthy animals. You just don't see them come in, and then boom, they get the drop on you. You know, they say this job of mine is so easy. They'll be like, Skipper DJ, your job's so easy, a monkey can do it. Can you imagine that? Driving around a big old boat on a Sunday morning trying to make people laugh. Someone has the audacity to be like, your job's so easy, a monkey can. Jokes on them, those are apes. What's the difference between monkeys and apes? I'd love to tell you, but nope, I don't have the time to give you the long tail. I have time for a quick Jungle Cruise story. Who wants a quick Jungle Cruise story? Beautiful. Bamboo. Did you know bamboo can grow up to 6 stories? Some people are going to take 7 stories, but friends, that's another story. Go ahead and take out your cameras. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. For it's the incredible. It's the stupendous. It's the wonder of the world. It's the backside of the water. Since you loved it so much, I'll show you the 9th wonder of the world. The front side of rock. I know it's one of our bolder attractions here at the Jungle Cruise. The skippers take it for granted. I find it to be quite marvelous and cute. It's real nice. It's a real beaut. Thank you for your sentiments. You're a rock solid person, a real gem, not jaded whatsoever, real diamond in the rough burn during this landslide. It's not your fault, I'm multifaceted, but I'll tell you one more. I promise in the courts you're gonna love it right before we plateau. Geology rocks, but geography is where it's at. Right over here is a big old python. Everyone always thinks it's a boa. Crazy. I know. Do you know we can toss a python and not a boa? Yeah, me neither. Welcome to Trader Sam's Gift Shop, formerly known as the Lost and Found. Did you all have fun today on the world famous Jungle Cruise? You can do better than that. Did you have fun? I don't think the dog can hear you. Because you've all been absolutely outstanding on the Jungle Cruise today. But in just a few moments, I'm going to need you to be outstanding. On that dock, as we approach the aforementioned dock, please everyone remain seated, keeping your hands on goals and touch boat at all times. I don't want to dent the dock again. If you go to the Tropical Hideaway to get some delicious Dole Whip, make sure you get on the Dole Whip line. If you go over there looking for the punchline, you'll never find it. If you thought the Jungle Cruise was pretty strange, if you were to look across the street... Oh my goodness. It's a little bizarre. Who knows what might be in store for you there? Get out. Watch your head, watch your step, and use those handrails. Just remember, friends, at the end of the day...
Was that fun? Yeah?
Where did we park? That was kind of funny.